As coronavirus impacts the country, our community of immigrants have been in the shadow of the national conversation. And CBS News contributor Elena Salinas joins us now from her home to offer some insight into resources that can support those who are unprotected. First, thank you so much. It's good to see you and good to see that you're taking care of yourself, Elena.
Hello, DeMarco. Good to talk to you from Miami to Los Angeles, my hometown.
Miami, I love Miami. All right, tell us real quick, how is the immigrant community being impacted, of course, by the virus?
Well, there's a full pool of people that are being affected by this pandemic, but they're not able to access any kind of help. Not financial aid, not social services, not health services. And, they don't qualify for the stimulus check that millions of people will be receiving already this week and next week because they also don't qualify for unemployment because they are undocumented. But then again, you have those who do qualify, the legal immigrants that might be on their road to getting their green card or citizenship. Now, those people are afraid to access any kind of services because of Trump administration's public charge rule. And basically, the government, what it's saying is that they want people that can fend for themselves and will not rely on any kind of government aid. So these people who are afraid to maybe get tested, they're afraid to, if they are sick, to get some kind of a treatment because they might lose their opportunity to get their green card to become citizens. And that is a serious problem, not only for them and their families, but also for people that they might come in contact with.
So is the federal government responding to these concerns?
Well, they are responding in a way. The Department of Homeland Security recently put out a statement saying that they will not consider tests, vaccines, or treatment in determining whether a person is a public charge or not. They are also saying that if you lose your job because of COVID-19, that you are able to access some kind of government aid. However, you have to prove with documents that you lost your job because of COVID-19. The issue again here is that people don't trust the government. They are afraid to access this because they don't want to lose their opportunity. As we know, these are very strict rules, and this was ratified by the Supreme Court. So now there are several states in the East Coast that have petitioned and asked the Supreme Court to make an exception to maybe change this rule during this time of the pandemic. And of course, that petition is supported by elected officials, by advocates, by health professionals, hoping that something can be done. So people that are in these situations will come forth and not be afraid to request these very necessary services.
And as you and I both know, this impacts a large portion of our state here in California. A final question for you. What options does the immigrant community have during these trying times?
Well, as you know, the governor of California, you're very lucky, I think it's the only one that has done that, has allotted $125 million to be distributed among undocumented immigrants. They will be receiving a check of either $500 to $1,000. They have to apply for it beginning next month. Now, most of that money comes from donations, and it will be distributed by nonprofit organizations. So it's basically people helping people. There are a lot of local, state, and national organizations that have been setting up GoFundMe pages to help different industries like the restaurant industry. Also, the National Domestic Workers Alliance has also started a fund to help the millions of domestic workers that are being affected by this, that are not getting paid. They don't have money to pay their bills or to feed their families. So, basically it's the community coming together to help each other, because basically we're all in this together. I know it sounds like a cliche, I know it sounds like a slogan, but that's the truth. We're all in this together, and we're all affected, some more than others, and it takes a village, really. So there are a lot of organizations. I think it's important for people to reach out in their local communities, not just on a national level, but look in their local communities to see which organizations are helping them with food, to pay the rent, with social services. And for those who do qualify, for those legal immigrants, don't be afraid. Get your documents together. Get all your, make sure that you keep all of your documents to show that yes, you have been affected by COVID. Just to make sure that you're not affected when the time comes that you want to get your green card or apply for citizenship.